Hello everyone, welcome back to the another Linux tutorials. Today we are learning about the sleep command in Linux. Sleep is a simple but powerful command that lets you pause your command for a specific amount of time. This is super useful or helpful when you are automating a task, scheduling a job, or just need to add a delay between the things. Let's see the manual page for the sleep command. The sleep command in Linux is used to pause execution of a script or a command for a specific duration. This can be a handy in various situations where you need to delay the execution of process or a script. It can help avoid race condition, wait for the resource, or just control the flow of script. Use sleep followed by a number of seconds you want to wait. Let's see the example. Sleep. I will enter 5. This will pause the script for a 5 seconds before executing the next command. The sleep command comes with some options that make it even more versatile. Let's see one by one. You can specify the duration using not only the second but also a minutes, hours, or even days. Let's see one by one. So, second, just a number. Example sleep followed by a number. And for minutes, use M. Sleep 2M will sleep for 2 minutes. Hours, use H. Sleep 1H will sleep for 1 hour. And for days, sleep 1 day, 1D will sleep for 1 day. You might want to schedule a backup script to run after a delay, like waiting for the system to complete some task. Instead of waiting forever, you can use sleep 5M to delay execution for 5 minutes, giving the system time to complete background process. Sleep 2. So let's see the example for sleep. Sleep 2 ampersand echo. This message appears after a 2-second delay. So after 2 seconds you will get the output. Sleep 2, here sleep 2 in this command will pause the terminal for 2 seconds, and ampersand ensures that the second command, this is the first command and this is the second command, ampersand ensures that the second command echo, this command appears after the 2-second delay, will only run after the sleep command has completed. One of the cool thing about sleep is that you can also use decimal values for more precious time. For example, you can use sleep 0.5, so it will pause for half a second. Let's say you are automating a script and need to wait for some time to respond but don't want to wait for an entire second. Using sleep 0.3, 0.3 like this would be better to fit it. Let's see sleep. We can use same command. Just update this 0.3 ampersand. This message appears after 0.3 second. If you want, if you don't want to pause a script execution entirely, you can run sleep in the background using ampersand. This will allow other commands to continue execution while sleep runs in a background. Let's say you have a script that runs a multiple tasks and you need a pause between some of them. Running sleep in the background will ensure the rest of the task continues uninterrupted. Example, let's take an example sleep. I will give 10 seconds. Just enter a number and give ampersand, and here we can use echo. This runs while sleep is in the background. So it takes more than 10 seconds to type this. Let's run once again and run this. This run will sleep in this background. So after 10 seconds, automatically we'll get the output like done sleep 10. See, like this. The sleep command is especially useful when combined with other commands in a script. Imagine you are running a backup script that check for system usage every hour. You might want to introduce a delay between the checks to avoid overloading your system. Let's take an example. Let me create a file, test script, or we can use sleep vim test-script.sh. Let me add details here like bin bash use while loop do df-h sleep 1 hour done. Let me show you the content of this script, and I want to run this script. So in this case, df-h will check the disk space every hour with a 1 hour delay in between. Here you can see the script is not been exited from its terminal. Let me cancel it. So every 1 hour it will check. This script will run in a loop. To recap, the sleep command is a simple but powerful tool for a system administrator and a developer working with a Linux. Whether you are managing a background task, scheduling a job, or creating automated scripts, understanding how sleep effectively can save your time and help with ensuring smoother operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tutorial like this. Let me know in the comments how you use sleep command in your scripts. Thanks for watching.